found some Halloween stuff. Though it's not very much, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So, okay, they usually have these every year, but these are the color your own ornaments. You get 8 in here, and I picked up the jack-o'-lantern one, and also this little scary boo ghost. He's not scary at all, he's very cute. But I think these are really cute. You can do all kinds of things with these if you don't want to make them into ornaments, but anyway, I went ahead and just grabbed one of each of those. The next thing that I found, now they had these, I think last year, but they may be a little bit different. But these are decorative filler, and you get 12 in here. But these are skulls. Can you guys see that? They're skulls. I think those are so cool. This was all that they had. I'm sure they probably are going to have different like sizes. I think last year they even had picks that were the skull picks. So they may have those coming too, but all I know is at my Dollar Tree, this was all that they had. So I did go ahead and grab one package of those. They also had these, and I think they have these every year too. This is also the decorative filler, and you get 12 pieces in here. So I went ahead and grabbed this orange pumpkin, and then this purple pumpkin. So cute. Okay. They also have these, and I'm pretty sure they have these every year too. But these are, they're just calling them Decor. You get 4 in here, but they are like these foam glitter pumpkins. And so I went ahead and grabbed this purple one, and it's got orange stripes going down the side of them. So I picked that one up. And then they had the orange one with black polka dots. Now, they also had what they have every year, the pumpkin picks with the styrofoam pumpkins, you know, on a stick. But I already have some of those, and I didn't need any more, so I didn't get those. But I did go ahead and pick these up. Okay, so I don't have a Halloween tree, but I like to use these kinds of things when I make wreaths for like embellishments to put in wreaths. But they had these, and I think that they have something like this every year also. But these are the little mini ornaments. So they are calling them just ornaments, and you get 16 in here. So I did grab one of each. So they have this black one, which for my Christmas tree last year, I did it in black and white, and I have a lot of black ornaments, so I can use this year on my Christmas tree if I want to, but I probably won't. I'll probably just use this for, like I said, an embellishment in a wreath or something like that. But so anyway, I grabbed the black one, and they have different designs in there. They have like a matte black, a shiny black, one that's glittered with different textures and things like that on it. So I did grab one of the black ones, one of these purple ones, which similar to the black, and then one of the orange ones. So I just think those are so cute. Okay, now they did have this last year, and they also had one that said eek. But I picked up the one that said boo. And this is one of those signs that, you know, you could do yourself. You can DIY it. I do have a video on my channel where I did a DIY using the eek sign. So if you want to check that out, I'll make sure to link it in the description box down below. But anyway, I thought this one was really cute, so I did go ahead and grab one of those. Okay, so they have their sort of Halloween floral, I guess. Now this wasn't all of it, I'm sure. I'm sure they're probably going to be getting more in, but this was all that my Dollar Tree had. So I'm excited to see what kinds of floral they're going to be doing this year for Halloween. But they had these little picks, and they are, I don't know, they are so cute. So I did grab one of each. So this first one here is, they're just calling them decorative picks. And this one has a black skull, like a black glitter skull, a black carnation, and sort of like a really dark, dark red rose with black glitter. And then it also has like these little sprig of berry, like little berries coming off of there or something. But anyway, I thought that one was so cool. So I did go ahead and grab one of that. So, oh, look at those leaves even. The maple leaves, black maple leaves. Oh, I love it. Love that. They also had this one, which is like, I think this is a purple, I'd say it's a black carnation, but they've just doused it with purple glitter. And then it's got a purple pumpkin on there, the black and white berries there. And then on this side, I think that is, looks like a mini mum or something, maybe a black one. I don't know. So cool. So I really like this. So I did go ahead and grab one of those. They had one similar to that, but it's in the silver pumpkin. So this one has the silver glitter pumpkin on it with the same black and white berries, a black rose right there, and then like this red carnation with black glitter tips, and then the black maple leaves. So this one, I really like this one too. I love that red carnation with the black on it. And then they have one similar to that black skull, and this one has a purple skull on it, but his face is like dug right into the flower there. But anyway, look at him. Isn't he cool? So cool. So that's got the black, it's a black rose with like purple glitter on it. And then this, I don't know what kind of flower this would be. It looks, I don't really know what that would be, but it's really cool though. I like that. And then the purple berry like sprig thing there. But anyway, I thought that was so cool. So I did go ahead and grab that. Okay, so you guys, I went to, I don't know, 4 Dollar Trees, and 3 of them had these, but they were all sold out except for the one store that I found these at, and they only had these left. So these are the ones that I grabbed. And I don't know if they have any other colors, any other sizes, but this was all that this Dollar Tree had, so I just grabbed them up. But it's the Bottlebrush Trees. Now they have them in this green, sparkly green, and then black. I would have preferred to have all black, but I'd say all the black ones they probably went really fast. But I think it was the same way last year, because I know they had these last year too, and they always have them around Christmas time too. But I know the ones for Halloween last year were gone. As soon as they put them out, they were gone. So I was just lucky enough to find these, and I probably won't ever find these again. So I did get these. Now, I'm telling you, Bottlebrush Trees are expensive. If you go to buy them anywhere else, like, you know, Walmart or wherever, they're a lot more expensive than just $1. So I had to get them. And even though these green ones really aren't what I would have preferred, you can always paint these. They hold up to paint, like spray paint, really well. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. So these are like sort of a large tree. They're calling them Halloween. You guys can see that, Halloween trees. But it's a pretty good size. I would say, I don't know, it's probably 6 inches at least 6 inches tall. So I grabbed one black one and then 3 of these green ones, which the green ones are really pretty, but I don't know, they don't really say Halloween to me. So I think, I don't know, black would be better, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I did go ahead and grab those 3. They had some ribbon, and I think this ribbon is the same as last year's. I don't know if they have this one though. I can't remember seeing this one. But this one is the 2.5 inch by 108 inch. So it's 9 feet long. But it's these jack-o'-lanterns with the witch's hat, which I love it. So I did grab 2 of those. And then I know they had this last year because I have some in my craft room, but it's just plain black glitter ribbon, and it's also the 2.5 inch wide by 9 feet. So I grabbed one of those, and I know they had this one last year because I have some just like it in my craft room. I know I told you guys, ribbon, it's my weakness. I love ribbon, but these are really cool with the white background and the black bats. I just love it. So this one's also the 2.5 inch wide by 9 feet. So grab 2 of those, and then I think they had something like this last year, but for some reason this looks just a little bit different to me. But it's the black ribbon with the white spider web on it. So I thought this was really cool. So I did go ahead and get it, and it is also the 2.5 wide by 9 feet also. Okay. Now they have these pretty much every year too. But for some reason this year I feel like they're different. I don't know if it's just the packaging or what, but it's the LED, like fairy lights, little string LED. I don't know what they're just calling them LED light sets. So, but they had different ones to choose from. These are the 3 that I liked. So I went ahead and grabbed these. Now this one is like a skull. You get 10 lights, and they are, let's see, 3 feet in length. So, and they're white, the white LEDs. So they have the little skull faces on there. So I grabbed one of those. This one I thought was so cute. I don't know. I might have should have got more than this because these go fast too when they get them. But this is the ghost, and this one I think is shorter. 3.6 feet. What did I say this one was with the skulls on it? 3 feet. Oh, so it's longer. And you also get 10 LED lights on there also. But look at those little ghosts. Aren't they? They're so cute. Yeah. And there is a picture of what they look like. So I grabbed one of those, and then they had these spider ones, and there's also 10 lights on here and 3.6 feet long. My husband is terrified of spiders, so I don't know if he's gonna like these or not, but these, I just love them. But look at those spiders in there. Oh my goodness. I love it. So I grabbed one of those, and then they had these, and I don't know if they had these last year or not, but I think maybe they did. But these are the LED light set. You get 10 lights in here, and they are 3.6 feet long, but they are different colors. So I got an orange one and a purple one. So you have the purple light there, and then the orange, the orange light and then the purple light. So anyway, I like these. I like these LED lights. So I grabbed that. And is that it? Oh no, I have these last couple of things here. I'll reach over here. But, okay, now these are not Halloween. These weren't in the Halloween area at all. These are from summer, I think. But, purple. I grabbed the purple ones, which I'm going to be doing a DIY using these. But these are the pool noodles. And, so there is the pool noodle. And I have noticed that per the holiday or whatever the season, that Dollar Tree has been putting out pool noodles to go with the theme of that holiday. So, because I think at like Christmas time last year, they had like red and green pool noodles. So, I don't know. But, so I don't know if they're going to have pool noodles for Halloween or not. Maybe some purple, orange, and black ones. That would be cool, or green. But anyway, so I grabbed 3 of these. Now these were, like I said, from for the summer. But I'm going to be doing a DIY with these. So I did go ahead and grab 3 of them just because I'm not sure how many I'm going to need. So I did go ahead and grab 3. So yeah. That is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited that Halloween is starting to come to the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. Like I need more Halloween stuff. Oh, I have so much Halloween. I have more Halloween decor than I do anything else because Halloween is my absolute favorite. And this year I'm working on trying to like DIY my own little Halloween creepy haunted village area. You know, like at Christmas time they set up little houses for a Christmas village. Well, I want a spooky haunted Halloween village. I think Michael's always sells those you know, haunted little Halloween stuff, little houses and figurines and stuff like that. I think they sell that. I know they do at Christmas time, but they're so expensive. No one can afford it unless you're super duper rich, and I'm not. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I wish that you would because I would love to have you. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.